All right, so when you're doing a lot of editing in audio and MIDI, it may get to the point where you have maybe several tracks, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, maybe even over 100 tracks. So you want to be able to quickly move around them. And one good way to do that is to minimize, maximize, or AKA zoom in, zoom out on your track so that way you can see what you're doing. If you press Control and the arrows on your keyboard, then you should be able to zoom in and zoom out. So I'm gonna press Control, plus sign makes everything smaller, left brings everything in very tighter, or I can expand it and make it just really big and ugly looking. Play around with that, but that definitely helps too as well. The last keyboard shortcut for this video is screen sets. Screen sets is something that I kind of never really knew about. I knew about it, but never really used it. This allows you to basically take like a snapshot of your layout of what you're doing. But it works really cool because you can quickly change between things. You can customize your windows, you can change your layout, and let me show you how that works. This is my workspace. I'm on advanced, so if you don't see this option up top, then make sure you change it to advanced and you'll see it. On the screen, you'll see it says screen, and it says screen set 01, 02, 03, 04, all of these different screens. You get 10 of them total. So whenever I need to save something, then I can just go to that screen set and then I can press, right now I'm on 2, but guess what happens when I press 1? You notice everything changed. So you can use these on your numbers at the top of your keyboard to change. So here's what 1 looks like, here's what 2 looks like, here's what 3 looks like, and I haven't done 4, but I mean, I can set it up, and this is cool if you want to go back and forth, like say, oh, let me quickly look at the console. Oh, no, I don't want the console. I just want the track view. This is a good way to definitely toggle back and forth between those. So definitely use that